Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you some very inexpensive and super simple gift ideas using items from the Dollar Tree. I will also show you a party favor idea or a simple gift idea if you are attending or hosting a New Year's Eve party, and I picked up all of these items from the Dollar Tree. If you are new to my channel, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now before you forget. I have a ton of videos coming up that you're not going to want to miss, and make sure that notification bell is turned on, and let's get right into this video.
Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing.
So for this first gift idea, you will need a packet of the soup mix, a Christmas ornament of your choice. I will be using this super cute top hat, some jute rope, and some tissue paper, and then I will also be using a mason jar and a hot glue gun as well.
Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the soup packet mix out of this little container here, and then I'm going to cut the facing off of this packet, and I'm going to use it so people can see what's actually inside of this mason jar. And then on the back of the packaging there are directions, and you're going to want to make sure that you cut that out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut that out and then just tape it onto the little soup packet mix, and then I will wrap that in tissue paper, and then I will stick that down in the mason jar.
And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
So for the top part of this lid here, I just wanted to dress it up and make it look really cute. So I took this top hat, which is a Christmas ornament, and I just used a little bit of hot glue, and then I secured it to the top of this plastic mason jar lid, and then I took some jute rope and then wrapped that around to just cover the plastic part of the lid, and voila, I was done. And there is a simple and easy Christmas gift idea.
Lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
So I'm going to show you another way that you can use this soup packet mix and give it as a gift. You can also give this as a gift during the regular season if you know somebody that's sick or not feeling well. I think it's just a really cute get well gift. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to take the chicken noodle soup packet mix. I'm going to stick it right inside of this oversized mug here that you can use as a soup bowl, and then I will cover the packaging with some really cute Christmas tissue paper, and then I'm going to tape that Joy Christmas ornament that you see right there, just tape it right onto the front just to dress it up a little bit instead of using a bow, and you are finished. Super cute and very simple gift idea.
You're not here to walk with me. It all seems like a waste. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you...
So for this next gift idea, you will need a basket or a gift box. You will also need some ribbon and some fabric. I already had these items, you can purchase the ribbon at the Dollar Tree as well. And then I am just going to use this little jar container, and I did make this using items from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and link that video down below in case you are interested in watching it. I will use this foot soak, this Epsom salt foot soak. I will also use this little soap bar. It's a lavender scented soap bar, and I picked up this leopard print eye mask. I will also use this wine glass that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree, and then some bath bombs.
Won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plan.
So the first thing that I'm going to do in this project is just empty out the foot soak inside of this little jar and then just secure it with the lid. And then I'm just going to write in chalk print what is inside. And then I am going to take the bath bombs, empty it out onto the middle of this piece of fabric, fold it up, and then tie it securely with a ribbon. You can also use those really cute plastic gift bags that they sell at the Dollar Tree. They're used for like party favors, or you can even use tissue paper to wrap this up. That would look really cute as well. So for this bar soap, I wanted to dress it up and make it look a little bit cuter than just sticking it right inside of this gift box with just the packaging on it. So I took it out of the packaging and I wrapped a piece of ribbon around it and secured it with a piece of tape. And then I took a strip of that ticking fabric, cut it into a very thin strip, and then just tied it around the soap. And then for this last gift idea that I added to this gift box was just took the eye mask out of the packaging and placed it right inside of the wine glass. So you can use a basket like I had previously said, or you can use this gift box. You can even use a deeper gift box if you're worried about stuff falling out. But what I did was I just secured the lid to the back of this, as you can see, and then I just placed all of the items inside. I also added a little box of chocolates. I am going to give this as a gift, and I will wrap this with cellophane wrap just so none of the items fall out. You can also wrap this with gift wrap, or placing it in a basket would be a little more secure, but I thought this turned out really cute. And you can also fill in the holes with raffia or some tissue paper. So this last gift idea that I'm going to show you would actually make a super cute party favor idea if you are hosting a New Year's Eve party. I will just be using this set of champagne glasses, a small 2020 planner, some bows, some confetti, sparklers, a boa, and a little bucket to place everything in. I will also use some super cute party glasses as well.
Yes, somewhere going high, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Okay, so the first thing that I did was I added some tissue paper, and then I just started placing all of the items in this bucket. So as I was finishing it up and placing the boa in here, I didn't like the way it looked. So I ended up taking the tissue paper out, and then I just used the boa as a filler, and then I just added everything back in, and then I thought it turned out looking really cute, and it makes a super, super adorable party favor idea if you are hosting a New Year's Eve party. I hope this video gave you a few ideas for those last minute gifts that you are looking to give to friends, family, coworkers, or teachers. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and a very Merry Christmas.
Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Yes, somewhere I'll go running and hide. Looking for a new start.